my channel. So today I'm here with Belle again, and she has a cute little scarf. You can see it, her fur is getting a bit long, and I think that she needs to go for a grooming session soon, right? Clever girl. Okay, good girl. So for combination, so firstly I'm going to talk about my Louis Vuitton clay that I've had for over a year, and I think I do need to share some stuff I noticed about it, and it's not all positive, unfortunately. And then I also want to share with you what I got in terms of like skincare, some masks that I just got just now when I went out, and then also this cute little Jill Stuart Urban Princess collection. So it's really pretty, even though the name to me it seems a bit weird, but actually I got it during the Black Friday sale, so it was about 15% off. I also wanted to share the Tatcha set that I ordered at the same time, but unfortunately I still haven't received it, and it's been over a week I think, so I need to check on that one. Apart from that, I also wanted to share some skincare from this very affordable and Korean brand. It's called the Same or Same. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but okay. So I've got a bit to cover today, so let's get started. So firstly, about the clay from Louis Vuitton. This is Dame Azur, as you can see, the off-white and the kind of bluish print, the checks. Unfortunately, the thing about this is the hardware is still okay. It was matte all this while, so it wasn't really shiny. But if you can see the green stuff, you can see here. When I talked to my SA, he was like, oh, that usually happens. So I'm not sure, because I do not put anything weird inside. You know, usually I just have cash and my bank cards and my like key at work. So I'll just show you what I have inside. Key and some coins. So I just empty it all out. So basically this is how the interior looks. It looks a bit dirty, which, you know, I guess is expected because I do keep coins inside, but I just don't get why there is a green the green tinge up on the zipper. So if you look at the interior, I guess the where you clip your keys on, it's still very shiny, but I don't use it, so I always forget how to open it because I hardly use it. Oops. Oh yeah, you kind of pull this lever here and you lift it up, and that's how you get your keys inside. And this thing is quite thick, so you know, I think sometimes it doesn't really fit a lot of like keys. I do keep this in my bag almost every day, so actually basically every day I use it as a wallet as well, especially if I'm using a small little bag and I don't bother with long wallets anymore. So all in all, I think this is definitely a useful item to own from Louis Vuitton. It's quite hardy if you look at the canvas, but if you're really very fastidious or very you know, I guess a little bit nitpicky, you might not want to go for Dame Azur, because the off-white zipper portion does tend to green, or I mean discolor. According to my SA, that's really normal, so I'm not sure what the reason is for that. It could be the zipper, which is, even though it looks like gold, I mean it looks like it's gold colored. I'm not sure, you know, if the inside if it kind of affects. You can see the green thingy here, and then here the lining kind of lifts up a bit. I do use it every day though. I don't baby this, which I didn't intend to baby when I bought this thing anyway, but overall it's quite a useful thing because it's canvas on the outside, and it's only the cloth part which is a bit of a problem, I guess. So far I don't think it has really yellowed, but this is my only Dame Azur item, and I only have a Dame Eben, my Alma PM, of course. So that is definitely a safer bet if you want a clay, you know, either monogram or the Dame Eben, which is dark brown. So yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna say about this little SLG from Louis Vuitton. Would I purchase another one? Probably not, because I don't really need to have more than one clay. But yeah, so okay, that's it for this one. So now let's do a quick little unboxing on my Jill Stuart Royal and Urban Princess collection. So, you know, I really like Jill Stuart stuff because it's very princessy, and also because they like to use the logo J, you know, on her items, and obviously my name starts with a J as well, so that's why I like it a lot. So let's take a look what's inside. So unfortunately, there's a little story behind this because I ordered this online. Unfortunately, when it came to me in my office yesterday, the face powder broke and I was pretty upset because, you know, it was really messy and it kind of like spilled powder all over my notebook at work and it wasn't really nice. But what I can say is at least Sephora here in Malaysia, I basically contacted Sephora via the app and they told me to exchange the product in the store. So which is what I did today. But if the product is no longer in stock, then you would just get a refund, which I guess that's good. You know, at least they kind of take accountability and responsibility for damaged products, because Malaysia is unlike the US or you know, other Western countries where there's a good return policy for customers. Basically, there's no return policy in Malaysia. So once you open something up and if you don't like it or it doesn't suit your skin, you're kind of stuck with it. Okay, so I went to the Vuitton store at the Sephora and they changed it for me, but it's just that I felt that they were not very polite because I was just exchanging stuff. I wasn't buying anything. I'm a Sephora Gold member as well, so I don't know, maybe I'll write something in. They were not very rude, but you know, not very polite either, not very friendly, so whatever. So it comes with a pouch, so this is really cute. I like this pouch a lot. I'm just gonna open up for this video, but I don't intend to use this pouch yet. Oops, I'm just gonna instead of, you know, cut out tape. Yeah, it's really cute. See, it is very princessy with the J and the bow. I think it makes a really nice gift, but this is a gift to myself. So I'm gonna keep it back inside. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this whole set of makeup during Chinese New Year because, you know, I'm kind of traditional in the sense that I like to use all new stuff during Chinese New Year. So this set also contains a face powder and an eyeshadow palette. So I guess I'll show you the face powder first. I like how they've like you know, packaged everything inside here. I think it's really like Japanese trademark, because if you're just wondering, Jill Stuart makeup is made in Japan. So see, made in Japan. So it's really pretty, you know, with the floral pattern out here with a little rhinestone. And then here's the powder. It's really nice. It looks really silky. I've used Jill Stuart loose powder before and it's always been really silky and finely milled. This is the cute little brush, so cute. So I'll put it back in here. Ooh, wow, that was scary. Almost broke it. Oh my god, it's the illuminating face powder. So I might not keep this for myself. I don't know, I might give it to my mom. So I'll just keep it back first. And then floral pattern. And yeah, you open it up, press here, a little button here, and oh, it's so cute, don't you think? It's pinkish. So it has 6 colors and the little eyeshadow sponges, which I never use. I prefer to either use my fingers or use a brush. So it's really cute. I think this is great for travel. You know, it's not a lot of quantity, but you know, I really hardly finish up my eyeshadow palette, so I think this is good. It's really cute. I'll keep it first. So cute. I like the rose gold color thing going on here. Okay, and then there is a lip gloss. So cute packaging. So I can see that Jill Stuart kind of kind of changed their packaging a bit more to the rose gold kind of colors versus what they used to have, which is like really bright silver. So I kind of like both, but the rose gold is really pretty too. Yeah. A lip gloss plus it also comes with a plum colored eyeliner, which I thought was very interesting. So this definitely suits Chinese New Year, because in Chinese New Year, Chinese people like to use red stuff, like reddish, you know, supposed to be auspicious, good luck, etc. So I'm just keep everything back afterwards, and I'm going to keep it for Chinese New Year. Next year's Chinese New Year is coming in January, so it's not too far away. Okay, next. I'm trying to keep this very affordable. The sign. I hope I pronounced it right. skincare. So I basically bought it from Parkson, which is a department store in Malaysia. So I got this Urban Eco Hara KK Fresh Cream, and it's really affordable in pricing. This is how it looks like. So I think the packaging is quite cute as well. And just because I bought this item, which is a gel-based moisturizer, I'll report back how it performs after I use it. I got this little kit as well, which has a toner, emulsion, and cream. So it was a really good, cute little kit that you can get for free just because you bought the moisturizer. So I really like this kind of good kits because I think it gives you an idea of how the products will perform without having to purchase the entire set, just in case it doesn't work for your skin. So yeah. Okay guys, that's it. And maybe just randomly, I'm just gonna share clips of what I did last night. We had a party at work, so the theme was Bonnie and Clyde, or the Highwaymen, like 1920s kind of stuff. So from Zara, I'll just show it to you. Yeah, and I'll share some clips. I really like this. So when I go traveling, I'm planning to go to like some colder countries next year, so I'm probably gonna wear this. So I think it's pretty useful. It's really cute. You can find it in Zara right now, so highly recommend it, especially if you're living in a cold country. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and before I finish, I'm just gonna say to my second prize winner from my giveaway, I'm sorry I haven't sent out your the stuff that I was going to share with you, but I have some stuff to share with you, some masks and a little surprise inside. So I do hope you like it. I've already shared the first prize with, I've sent it to Ray, my the first prize winner as well. So I'm going to have many more giveaways going forward. So I do hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and welcome to my new subscribers. You know, I had a few guys from work who actually subscribe to my channel, so I think that's kind of funny, really fun. Thanks for your support. So okay everyone, see you soon, bye.